Have you ever wondered how your thoughts shape your reality? Today we will explore the incredible power of your mind and how you can master your reality through the power of your thoughts. Imagine being able to direct your life towards the outcomes you desire simply by changing the way you think. This might sound like a bold claim, but there is a profound connection between your thoughts and the reality you experience. Join me as we dive deep into the science, techniques, and practical steps that can help you harness this power to transform your life. Let's start with the basics. What are thoughts and how do they influence our lives? Thoughts are the internal dialogues that continuously run through our minds. They are the mental chatter that shapes our perceptions, influences our emotions, and guides our actions. Every decision we make and every reaction we have is influenced by our thoughts. This is why understanding and mastering our thoughts is so crucial. When we think positively, we tend to attract positive experiences and outcomes. Conversely, negative thinking can create a self-fulfilling prophecy of difficulties and setbacks. This is not just about being optimistic or pessimistic. It's about recognizing the power that our thoughts have in shaping our reality. By learning to manage our thoughts, we can create a more fulfilling and successful life. Now let's look at the science behind the connection between thoughts and reality. Research in neuroscience has shown that our brains are incredibly adaptable. This concept is known as neuroplasticity. Our thoughts can literally change the structure and function of our brains. When we repeatedly think a certain way, we strengthen neural pathways associated with those thoughts. Over time, these pathways become the default mode of thinking. For example, if you frequently think negatively, your brain becomes wired to look for and focus on negative aspects of your life. On the other hand, if you cultivate positive thinking, your brain will start to highlight the positive aspects and opportunities around you. This is why changing your thought patterns can have such a profound impact on your life. Studies have also shown that positive thinking can improve physical health, increase lifespan, and enhance overall well-being. The mind-body connection is powerful, and by nurturing a positive mindset, you can influence not only your mental state but also your physical health. Before we can fully harness the power of positive thinking, it's essential to identify and address any limiting beliefs we may hold. Limiting beliefs are those thoughts and attitudes that hold us back from reaching our full potential. They often stem from past experiences, societal conditioning, or self-doubt. To identify limiting beliefs, start by paying attention to your self-talk. Notice any recurring negative thoughts or feelings of inadequacy. These could be indications of limiting beliefs. Common examples include thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," "I don't deserve success," or "It's too late for me to change." Once you've identified these beliefs, it's crucial to challenge and reframe them. Ask yourself if these beliefs are truly based on facts, or if they are simply assumptions you've internalized over time. Often, you'll find that these beliefs are not as solid as they seem. By questioning and reframing them, you can begin to replace them with more empowering thoughts. Now that we've identified our limiting beliefs, the next step is to shift to empowering beliefs. Empowering beliefs are positive thoughts and attitudes that support our growth and success. They are the mental affirmations that remind us of our capabilities and potential. One effective technique for shifting to empowering beliefs is to use positive affirmations. These are simple, positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. The key is to choose affirmations that resonate with you and reflect the reality you want to create. For example, if you're working on building self-confidence, you might use affirmations like, "I am confident and capable," or "I believe in my abilities." It's important to repeat these affirmations consistently, preferably daily. Over time, these positive statements will start to replace the old limiting beliefs. You'll notice a shift in your mindset and a greater sense of empowerment. Affirmations are a powerful tool for reprogramming your mind and aligning your thoughts with your goals. They work by focusing your mind on positive outcomes and reinforcing your belief in your abilities. When used regularly, affirmations can help you stay motivated, reduce stress, and increase your overall sense of well-being. To get the most out of affirmations, it's important to use them effectively. Here are a few tips. Be specific. Make your affirmations clear and specific. Instead of saying, "I am successful," you might say, "I am achieving my career goals and enjoying my work." Use present tense. Phrase your affirmations as if they are already true. This helps to create a sense of reality and immediacy. For example, say, "I am confident," rather than "I will be confident." Be positive. Focus on what you want to achieve, not what you want to avoid. For example, say, "I am healthy and energetic," instead of "I don't want to be tired." Repeat regularly. Consistency is key. Repeat your affirmations daily, ideally several times a day. The more you repeat them, the more they will become ingrained in your subconscious mind. By incorporating affirmations into your daily routine, you can start to see positive changes in your mindset and your life. Visualization is another powerful technique for manifesting your desires. It involves creating a mental image of what you want to achieve and experiencing the emotions associated with that achievement. Visualization works because the brain cannot distinguish between real and vividly imagined experiences. By visualizing your goals, you are essentially training your brain to achieve them. To practice visualization, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax. Then, picture your goal as if it has already been achieved. Imagine the details as vividly as possible, including sights, sounds, and feelings. For example, if your goal is to buy a new house, visualize walking through the rooms, feeling the excitement and satisfaction of owning your dream home. It's important to visualize regularly, ideally every day. The more you practice, the more real and achievable your goal will feel. Visualization helps to keep your mind focused on your goal and motivates you to take the necessary actions to achieve it. Setting clear intentions and goals is crucial for manifesting your desires. Without a clear direction, it's easy to get distracted or lose motivation. By setting specific, measurable goals, you can create a roadmap to guide your actions and keep you on track. Start by defining your intention. This is a broad statement of what you want to achieve. For example, "I intend to improve my health and well-being." Once you have your intention, break it down into specific, actionable goals. These should be clear, measurable, and time-bound. For example, "I will exercise for 30 minutes 5 times a week," or "I will eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables." It's important to review and adjust your goals regularly. As you progress, you may find that your priorities change or that you need to set new goals. By staying flexible and open to change, you can continue to move forward and achieve your desires. Developing a positive mindset is essential for mastering your reality. A positive mindset helps you stay motivated, overcome challenges, and attract positive experiences. There are several daily practices that can help you cultivate a positive mindset. Gratitude journaling. Each day, write down at least 3 things you are grateful for. This simple practice can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a sense of abundance and positivity. Positive self-talk. Pay attention to your inner dialogue and replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your strengths and achievements. Meditation. Regular meditation can help you stay centered and focused. It can also reduce stress and increase your overall sense of well-being. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with positive, supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Create an environment that reflects your goals and values. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can develop a positive mindset and create a more fulfilling and successful life. Challenges and setbacks are a natural part of life. However, how you respond to them can make all the difference. Building resilience and staying positive during difficult times is crucial for maintaining your progress and achieving your goals. One key strategy for building resilience is to reframe challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of seeing setbacks as failures, view them as learning experiences that can help you grow stronger and wiser. Ask yourself what you can learn from the situation and how you can use this knowledge to move forward. Another important aspect of resilience is maintaining a positive attitude. Even in the face of adversity, try to focus on the positive aspects of your life and the progress you have made. Remind yourself of your goals and the reasons why you are pursuing them. It's also helpful to have a support system in place. Reach out to friends, family, or a mentor for encouragement and advice. Sometimes just talking about your challenges can help you gain a new perspective and find solutions. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your mindset and influencing your actions. Creating a supportive and positive environment can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Start by decluttering your physical space. A clean and organized environment can reduce stress and increase productivity. Surround yourself with items that inspire and uplift you, such as motivational quotes, vision boards, or meaningful objects. It's also important to cultivate positive relationships. Spend time with people who support and encourage you. Avoid toxic relationships that drain your energy and bring negativity into your life. Instead, seek out connections with individuals who share your values and goals. Finally, create routines and habits that support your well-being. This could include regular exercise, healthy eating, and time for relaxation and self-care. By nurturing your physical, mental, and emotional health, you can create a strong foundation for achieving your goals. Mastering your reality starts with mastering your thoughts. By understanding the power of your thoughts, identifying and shifting limiting beliefs, using affirmations and visualization, setting clear intentions and goals, developing a positive mindset, overcoming obstacles, and creating a supportive environment, you can transform your life and achieve your dreams. Remember, the power to change your reality lies within you. It all starts with your thoughts. So, take the first step today and start harnessing the power of your mind to create the life you desire. You have the ability to shape your reality and manifest your dreams. Believe in yourself, stay positive, and keep moving forward. Your journey to mastering your reality begins now.